Hi friends, this is CA Kiran Kumar. In this video, let us discuss about the new functionalities made available for the taxpayers on GST portal. This was prepared by the GST team regarding the new functionalities of registration, returns, e-way-bills, advance ruling, etc. Let us discuss one by one. Number 1, regarding registration. Aadhaar authentication in form REG 1 during the registration for all the taxpayers. Regarding this, I have already made 2 videos, so I am mentioning the same in the description. Please check. Number 2, filing an application for cancellation of registration by the GST practitioners. This is regarding GST practitioner, not for the taxpayers. A person registered as GST practitioner can now file an application for cancellation of their registration in form GST PCT 06. This is for GST practitioners, not for the regular taxpayers. And number 3, PAN based registration details to be shown to the taxpayers. While applying for the new registration, the taxpayer will now shown more additional details related to the same PAN. If you can see, it will show green color for approved registration applications and red color for rejected registration application and orange for pending or processing registration. Number 4, suspension status of GST in certain cases. Immediately after initiation of cancellation of registration, by filing the application voluntarily by the taxpayer or suo motu cancellation by the tax officers through either GST REG 17 or REG 08, it is immediately showing suspended status on GST portal. And number 5, showing jurisdictional CBIC and state or union territory on the basis of PIN. While applying for registration in form REG 1 by the normal taxpayers or REG 09, the applicant will be able to view the lowest jurisdictional level information for both central and state on the basis of PIN number entered by the taxpayer based on the principal place of business. This information will be displayed in a drop down to the application on selection on the basis of PIN code entered by the taxpayer. You can check while you are applying for the registration. And regarding QRMP scheme, regarding this also I have made a detailed video. I am mentioning the same in the description. Please check. And point number 2, import of e-invoice data into GSTR1 of the taxpayer. As most of you know that from October 1st, 2020, the e-invoicing was already started for the taxpayers aggregate turnover 500 crores. So from then, while registering under e-invoice, the e-invoice portal is throwing all e-invoices to the GST portal, which was showing in GSTR1 B2B or respective apps in GST portal. So whatever the invoices registering or uploading in e-invoice portal, the same was showing in GSTR 1. And point number 3, authentication through EVC for filing returns through GSPs for the taxpayers for whom DSC is not mandatory. Earlier, for the GST Suvidha providers, DSC is mandatorily for filing returns for the taxpayers, but now easy for the GST Suvidha providers by enabling the EVC options instead of DSC option. Number 4, auto populated from GSTR 3B in PDF format for the taxpayer. You can know from last November it is showing auto populated GSTR 3B, which is available for PDF format also in GST portal. It is automatically picking up all GST liability payable from GSTR 1 and input details from GSTR 2B or GSTR 2A, and it is generating auto populated GSTR 3B same. And point number 5, interest payable in form GSTR 3B under CGST, SGST heads can be no different. Earlier there is a problem that while we are calculating and entering the amount in the interest portion, suppose you are find out 500 interest for SGST and CGST is suppose nearly 300, you can't enter different amounts previously. While you are entering 500 for CGST, the same amount will be taken automatically for the SGST also. But now the option you can now enter the different value for CGST and SGST as well. And point number 6, filing of nil form GST CMP08 through SMS on GST portal. I have explained detailedly previous for 2 to 3 videos I have made regarding this. I am mentioning the same in the description, please check it. And regarding e-way bill, online filing of application by the taxpayer for unblocking of e-way bill generation facility. E-way bill generation facility will be blocked if the taxpayer fails to file the returns in form GST 3B or CMP08 for 2 or more consecutive tax periods. Then the taxpayer will be blocked e-way bill. Then how to unblock the e-way bill? Previously it was a manual application. Now GST portal has given online application, so you can log into the GST portal under user services and my application. You can see application for unblocking e-way bill. One separate option is there for online application for unblocking the e-way bill generation facility. Then the tax official will take that request, and if he satisfied, the tax officer can issue order in EWB 06 for approval and unblocking the generation facility. And number 2, blocking of e-way bill generation facility for the taxpayers. Previously it was, the limit was 5 crores after 1st December 2020 for all the taxpayers without any aggregate limit who are not filing GST 3B or CMP 08 for 2 consecutive periods. Then the taxpayers will be blocked to file. And regarding taxpayer, now aggregate annual turnover of the taxpayers was enabled in GST portal itself. So if you want to know the aggregate turnover of a particular person, simply you just want to know the GST number, that's it. It is showing aggregate turnover of the particular applicant in the search by taxpayer option, but it is after logging in only. I will show you how. In search by taxpayer option, I have searched for this GST number. It is showing like this. Here you can see annual aggregate turnover of this person is slab 40 lakhs to 1.5 crore like this. And also new option was communication between the recipient and the supplier taxpayers on GST portal. I have made a detailed video regarding this. I am mentioning the same on the description. Please check it. So this is for the day. Thank you very much. For more interesting updates, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.